we are now discussing the wave properties of wave. With that, we are also discussing that is the properties of wave of lambda, frequency, wave number c, and as well as amplitude a. The relations are lambda is inversely proportional to f, mu is inversely proportional to lambda, or mu bar is also inversely proportional to lambda. We are discussing like this. Then we can go for the, depending upon this, we can propose some theory. First of all, Karplus theory. According to Karplus theory, that is also nothing but it is explained about the element is present as a, the total wave is present as a substance, it absorbs energy. Depending upon that, the Karplus theory explained, that is clearly explained by black body radiation. According to black body radiation, what is here is, what is black body? If any compound, if any substance body which is absorb the radiation, how much of it is absorbed? If you passing the radiation, how much you are passing, it will absorb that same radiation, and again it will emit the same absorbed radiation similar without any absorbing. That is called as black body. That means the body which is present absorb the total radiation which is you are passing and emit similar radiation. That type of body is called as black body radiation. They have the capacity to absorb a lot of energy and also emit a lot of energy similar. So it is called as black body radiation. According to black body radiation, if you observe how much it is you are absorbing length, absorb light, passing the intensity of light is absorbed, and it is a black body is also a temperature dependent. If you observe the temperature, if you pass the light, it will absorb the radiation at maximum level. That means first of all you are heating that one, you are absorbing, passing the light, that why the compound is heated up. Then after the heating up to part reaches at maximum level, again it comes back, but means it is absorption and it is emission. It emits a similar energy which is absorbed. Total emission energy is emitted by the body at different temperature. Think that it is a 1000 Kelvin temperature. It will emit this type of radiation. If you increase the temperature, it is a temperature dependent. If you increase the temperature, that means if you at high temperature, if you absorb, what happens here is absorption is also maximum at high, and similarly it reaches to higher maximum, higher level than compared to lower temperature, and also again it emits the radiation. So emission, absorption, black body depends upon the temperature. At high temperature it will absorb maximum, at low temperature absorb minimum. Compared to this, it is a temperature dependent, is called a black body radiation. According to that, what we have to explain conclusion here is, that is a substance, the wave is present absorbed like a particle as a substance type. That is explained by Karplus theory. So but according to wave theory, some wave type nature also discussed, that is by using Planck's theory. There are two different theories are there which are discussing the wave as a wave only, that is a movable particle. So it is according to Planck's theory, he explained the particle wave is move like a wave-like motion. The electrons are moving in a wave-like motion, and it contains the energy. It contains energy. That energy is, the energy of wave is completely directly proportional to frequency. Energy of wave is directly proportional to frequency. So E is directly proportional to mu. That is nothing but, after removing this E, we are getting E is equal to h mu. E is equal to h mu. That is called as Planck. H is called as Planck's constant. H is called as Planck's constant. The value of Planck's constant is h is equal to 6.623 into 10 raised 23. That is the value of 27. 6.627 into 10 raised 27 is a Planck's constant value. So depending upon this, we are discussing h as a Planck's constant, and also we are writing as E is equal to nh mu also. For number of different particles, different waves, we are also written as E is equal to nh mu. We are also writing it as a E is equal to nh mu is called as C by lambda. Mu is also nothing but C by lambda. So we are writing as, why? Because mu is inversely proportional to lambda. So you remove this one, you get a constant, that is C by lambda. So in place of mu writing, we are writing C by lambda. E is equal to NHC by lambda, or E is equal to NH. 1 by lambda is nothing but mu bar is also inversely proportional to lambda. So we are writing as N is equal to NH is equal to NH nu bar also, or NH C by lambda, or E is equal to NH mu or H mu. These are the different relations between the energy and frequency, which are the properties of wave, like lambda, velocity, frequency, wave number, like this. Then another theory, that is photoelectric effect. According to photoelectric effect, what is photoelectric effect is, when you pass, if you take a substance, if you pass the rays, wave, it is present in a photo wave. Think that it is a photo wave. Photo wave is present, photo light is coming in the form of light. It is called as a photo wave. If a photo wave is bombarded on the substance, what happens here is, after the substance absorbing this one, this compound, some element, suppose think that it is a metal will be ejected, metal will elect electron, because if electron wave is completely directly falls onto the metal atom, that electron, metal is nothing but easily lose electrons, that's why it is lose electron upon bombardment of photolight. So this wave again, which is scattered, the wave which is fall directly on the metal, that will be scattered. That scattered light, here there is only the photoelectrons are present, but if you passing this one, when it is a scattered light contains, along with this radiation, it also contains extra electrons also present, means electrons also move along with wave, because metal is lose electrons. So this radiation, this is called as a photolight, but electron light, moving of electron with wave like motion, is called as electric light. It is called as electric light. So photolight, upon bombardment of any metal, it is converted into electric light. So this effect, photolight converted into electric light upon bombardment, is called as photoelectric effect. So this is the explanation of photolight and electric light, photoelectric effect. These are the explanations of some theories of waves. Then we can go for the different spectra in next class.